The fourth international workshop of Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia was held on the island of Kos, Greece, in June 2007. As we all know, Kos is known to many as the place where Hippocrates, the father of medicine, was born and developed all his activities and set up the basis of what could be considered modern medicine today. In this particular workshop, we partnered with the International Myeloma Workshop, and thus, aside from the Waldenstrom's experts, this collaboration brought significant interest and education about Waldenstrom's to many myeloma guests. I was the chair of this workshop, and in this particular workshop, there were more than 150 participants, so we can see an incremental number of participants after each workshop. One of the highlights of the workshop was the Bob Kiley Award that was given to Dr. Maury Gers from Mayo Clinic on the opening day of the scientific program on Friday, June 29, 2007, in recognition of his significant contribution in Waldenstrom's research. In the following dates, new research was presented on the genetic basis, the molecular pathogenesis, the frontline and novel therapies of Waldenstrom's macroglobulinemia. Furthermore, there was activities, including all the participants, an intensive interactive dialogue aimed at updating treatment and response criteria for this disease, with the presence of about 150 participants. Prior to the consensus panel, closing ceremonies were held on the evening of Friday, June 29, that features the Hippocratic Oath ceremony performed at the Esculapian ruins, followed by a farewell dinner and cultural dance along the harbor of Kos Island, Greece.